Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this crash. First, try something like right click and run it as administrator, and if that doesn't fix it, then always make sure to clear your memory before running Roblox. So just Roblox got enough memory to start and then you can play it smoothly. And if that doesn't fix it, then just go back and then go to apps and features, and now type here Roblox, uninstall it. After that, go to command prompt, type cd app data /local, and then type type this command, and then type Y and click enter, and then Roblox will be completely removed, and then you can reinstall it, and then your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next video.